I'm going. What's the maximum RPM?
500.
500? Okay. And it starts out at 9, right?
You can go to 9, yeah.
So what's it spinning at now? 500?
No, now it's at 300.
How do you change the RPM?
Just gives you clutch.
That's 420, okay. Because you follow the table here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gives you all your stuff. Power feeds.
There we go. Power feed to show it's moving down the ways. We can put it in reverse, have it go the other direction if you want. Okay, there it's going the other direction. There's their power feed screw is turning.
Power feed this way.
You can power feed so the carriage goes across. Okay, now it's going in and out, right? That's your tool. They're going in and out. The compound moving across. Okay. So we have threading capability on this.
Threading capability.
That's what he's doing now. He's setting it for threading. He's done several jobs on this machine. It does great. Has a taper attachment on the other side over there. Slower speed on the feed for threading. So it's set up for threading right now?
It could be.
It could.
You got to chart your threads per inch.
Okay.
So American threads.
It does American threads, doesn't do metric?
I do
Just
not.
American.
No.
You know what year it is?
I do not.
Do you have any manuals on it?
I do not.
Okay. So what else does it do here? Anything?
That's about it.
That's about it. It's got a taper attachment, like I said, on the other side.
Taper attachment, steady rest, and then just your normal spindle.
So you can move that back and forth to set at different distances depending on the size of your workpiece.
It's locked down right now.
Can you turn, you've got 20-inch swing, so you can do kind of intermittent cuts, you can do heavy type stuff.
Yeah.
There you go, now you got it. You unlocked it, now you're moving it. There you go, you can move it, there you go. Cranking it back. There you go. And these are the ways right here. Get a little video of the ways. They're in pretty good shape. No nicks, no major dings. The only thing is, it just probably needs to be cleaned up, wiped down. It's got a chuck on it. And the chuck comes with it. Chuck comes with it. Steady rest. Limited amount of tooling comes with it. I think we're good to go. Thanks, Blades.